Okay, Facebook family. This is my white bird of paradise. It's not mine no more. I gave it to my neighbor. It's no longer dying. And this is one of her crotons, which I can't grow these to save my life. No, I can't grow them for some reason.
You can't?
Cannot. And then this plant, she said she got, I don't know, maybe what, 5 years ago? 10? About
10 or 10, 15 years.
About 10 years ago it was tiny, and it is now yeah, Miss Christine, I can't grow crotons for some reason.
Yeah, that one won't grow. I got some fertilizer.
And here is a Brazilian philodendron. I gave that to her maybe 2 years. It was a cutting. And then over here, peace lily.
What is that purple thing you can eat?
This?
Yeah.
Purple passion.
Okay.
And that's a golden pothos. Macaroni plant, which I had to get another copy from her. Purple passion, and this has grown tremendously. More crotons. Yeah, this one is pretty decent size. And that's what it's staghorn?
Yeah.
And then a staghorn fern. This was growing wild in the front yard. Trying to see what else. Wild pothos. And my Chinese dragon tree. Not mine no more. I keep saying mine. It's not mine. And she has did tremendous with it. So there goes the update. My white bird is alive and well.